Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the SDK and IDE versions so package compatibility isn't the immediate blocker. Next, inspect Nuget. Config to ensure feed URLs and credentials are correct, because an incorrect source is a common failure point. Once done, clear the local package cache and restore caches. This forces a clean refetch. Make sure to run restore with verbose logging so you capture HTTP and authentication details. Those logs will guide the next step. Now you move into diagnostic fixes. Run .NET Restore with detailed verbosity to expose HTTP codes and dependency conflicts, since seeing the error text lets you choose the exact fix. Then confirm each package supports your target framework and that version ranges do not conflict, because transitive conflicts often break restores. If network errors appear, test with antivirus/proxy disabled to isolate interference, then re-enable with exemptions. Finally, re-add problematic packages one at a time to find the culprit. To finish, re-authenticate to any private feeds using the appropriate credential provider so you avoid 400 ones. Many errors stem from expired tokens. Then pin the versions that restored successfully and update your lock file to prevent regressions, because reproducible restores matter in CI. Run a final clean of all Nuget locals and perform a restore. If things still fail, consult the detailed restore log for the last HTTP status and error text. That single line usually reveals the corrective action.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.